20. What's it? Yeah, somebody get 30,000 out of you. You get 30. And 30,000 out of you. You get 30. You get 30. 25. And 25,000 out of you. You get 20. Then you get 25,000. You get 20. Somebody get 10.
I guess it was a loose cable. So I'm curious about this one. It's not in mint condition, so it's T163. There we go. It's another one to look for to see what it goes for. Mustang T173. This is nice. T174 68 El Camino. So I think this guy is the culprit. T160. Listen to this. That is one mean sounding pickup truck. F-250 Ranger. Crew cab. Montclair. This thing looks awesome. It's a Mercury T216. It's a 1958 Mercury Turnpike. T157. T106, matching numbers. Mustang, looks all original. 1969 Mach 1. T110, so these are going to be in order, right? 65 Mustang. T111, anybody want a Army Volkswagen? This is nice. T113 Chevelle. It looks awesome. All right, look at this little Beamer. Look at this thing. It's like a Wayne Carini. I remember he did one. Look at this thing. I got to go around this. This is what I need to go back to Italy with my wife. So, I think you guys are going to like this. This is lot F166. 1970 Chevelle, resto modded. Shaved handles. Look at the wheels on this thing. Blacked out. Dark tints. Let's take a look and see if we can get through this window here. So you guys like original or rest? Here we go. Corvette F160. TA F161. F162, the Corvette. Sunbeam F163, Alfa Romeo F164 1960. All right, I gotta shoot this because my buddy is a big Alfa guy, and if you haven't seen the video I did, he was my actual first video on the YouTube channel of 129. Owned and registered by Charlie Sheen. Okay. Let's check it out. So Charlie Sheen owned this car for 12 years is what it's saying. Let's take a look at this. Let's go all the way around on this. All right, check out this Mustang. Look at the hood scoop on this. This is lot 149.1, 65 Mustang Custom. I don't know if I like this hood, but it is a fastback. It's a little rough, so I really want to know what this is worth. See the paint? Got some bubbles. So it is not perfect. It is not perfect, so I am very curious to see what this one goes for. Yeah, look at the, let's get that number on this again, just in case I forgot. F149.1. Let's see what this thing is going to go for. F134, Pantera, F135, Chevy Custom. Let's take a look at this thing. F141, a Buick Riviera, lot number 186, 67. Lot number 187, 71 Buick. We got a little Ferrari here, lot 188.1, 1984. Chevy Caprice, F189. Corvette, F190. Nice bus. F191, 72 type bus. We got this Bel Air, F192, 57. And lot number F193. It looks all original. It's a 42 Packard convertible. This looks all original. Let's take a look and see if we can get inside this. Okay. That looks very nice. That leather looks, I think this thing looks pretty cool. It's lot number F180. It's a 57 Chevy 150. Fuel injection. It's 1969. Let me know, so I know for next time, what kind of cars you want me to stop at. Obviously, everybody has different tastes, but I'm trying to pick what I think everybody likes on my channel. I know what I like, but not everybody's a Mustang fan, so I'm not gonna bore you. It's got a 302, 1.4 Olds, 442. I know that people really love these. Paint job is, so as you can see, you got some stuff, but you know what? I'm very curious to see what a car like this goes for. Let's take a look inside. Looks great. So let's mark this one down for real. F114. Not a common car. It's got a 400 1968 convertible. I don't see that many of these in these auctions. So hopefully we have some viewers that are Firebird fans. Some TMI car seats. Number F172, 1969. Again, I love the tack on the hood. Let's check out this 60. 8, yeah? F171.1. It's a GT. Got a nice Corvette next door too. Let's take a look inside this thing. Little modernized. Let's go check out this Stingray. This color combination, super nice. But as you can see, there are some imperfections on this. You see the bubbles? This is lot number F170, 1972. So curious to see what this goes for. Because this is kind of a normal person's kind of car that you can get. I'm not sure what's going on here, but this is kind of weird. I don't know if this is a made hardtop or something's missing the molding. Let's take a look inside. F82, 1960 Bonneville. How are you guys? Beautiful. Convertible. Let's listen to this thing. Looks awesome. It's cool. F19. Looks like a Suburban. It's a 1968. The paint makes it look like it's all rusted, but it's just the paint job. This is lot number F93. It's a 1970 Plymouth Sports Satellite. That is the famous tail. Let's take a look inside this thing. Check out this Cougar. F91.1, 1969, XR7. It's got the vinyl top. It's all right. Looks all original. Let's take a look. My Duster video, 1972 Plymouth Duster. I shot a Duster that my buddy Mike owns and has a great story. Go to my channel. I think you're gonna really enjoy the story, and the car is absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look inside this one. Yeah, this one is not like Mike's for sure, but this is pretty cool. There's a lot of cars, guys. Here's F30 Mustang convertible, 1965. Thunderbird F29. Okay, here's one. This Mercury is gorgeous. At least I love it. Look at that face. Lot number F28 convertible Mercury, 1950. Let's take a look inside this one. I wish you guys could smell this. cool. Power windows in a 1950, guys. I love the smell of old cars. All right, I gotta come over here. Check out this 442 69 Oldsmobile. Wow. Do not wipe down, it says. Lot number F94, it's a 69. Wow, this thing is gorgeous. Let's take a look. AC. I'm gonna take you over to lot number F96. This is an AACA winner. It's got a 409 turbo. It's got it's a 62 Impala. Lot number F96. So AACA winner, which means this thing is all original. My buddy's car from Miami. I think this is his Carmen Ghia. And if it's not, it is identical. I am going to send him this video right now and ask him. This is lot F42 Nova. I got to stop here because I think you guys are going to like this. This is an interesting car. That color combination that I love, the silver with the red. Let's look at the back of that. Let's take a look inside. It's got light tints. It's got the bench seat, stick shift. Check out this 1934 Custom. Sedan delivery is what it says. Looks like the Oscar Mayer Wiener dog. Shaved handles, all customized. 1971 Buick GS hardtop, lot number F276. All right, so 1985 IROC Z, F55. So this was my era. I was a junior in high school. I was a Mustang guy, but I had a lot of friends that were the IROC and Camaro fans. And as you know, that was a big competition back then. And now, right next to it, is the other 1980s Mustang GT. This was the other competitor. This is lot number F54. This is an 85 GT convertible with the 10 holes, which is my favorite. My favorite steering wheel option. That's because it didn't have cruise control. If the car had cruise control, the steering wheel was, I think, kind of ugly. And here we go, a one owner, 39,000 mile Mustang GT. It's lot number F53, 1985, T-tops. So if you guys saw the show in Blairsville where my buddy Carlos went, this car's for him. Oh, here's the steering wheel I was talking about. Look at the difference. I don't like that steering wheel. That is just ugly. I like the other steering wheel without the power. Without the cruise control, excuse me. We just got lot number F52. Check out this Camaro. SS 1971. Stick shift. So here we got a 1965 Pontiac Le Mans convertible, lot number F283.1. Let's take a look inside. So I just ran into, check out this 69 Torino Cobra fastback with a 428 Cobra jet.
That's what we need right now.
Let's see if I can get past. You don't see these cars very much. F62. I got my eye on you. This thing's a racer. Pro Street. Let's take a look at this. Gauges on the hood. All right.